Alright y'all, so today we are talking about denim, some trends, what's out there. I did try on and compare several pairs from Walmart, so a big thank you to Free Assembly at Walmart for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna have all these styles listed below in the description box, so let's get into it. So Free Assembly normally has a lot of size inclusive styles in all of their pieces. Most of their jean sizes are 0 through 22, and by the way, all of these styles are under 35, so a great price point. First off, I'm so happy to report that none of these styles are low rise. I know we are seeing it, hearing whispers that they're back, but let's try to hang on for as long as we can. There are so many far-reaching denim trends right now, so the ones that I have in today's video are a bit more toned down and a little bit more wearable. Maybe something you already have in your closet or just something that you want to have as a part of your seasonal refresh. And to make everything easy to compare in my footage today, I've styled everything with my $16 Free Assembly fitted tee and just a 3-inch block heel booty. So number one is black jeans. Black jeans seem to trend a lot more in the winter months especially, but think of them in any season. And I find that black jeans are really easy to style. Just wear whatever you would wear your black trousers with, just sub out for some black jeans. And what a great time of the year for some all black looks to throw on with a pair of booties. Like how I'm wearing it with these 90 straight leg pair of jeans. There's distressing on both legs around the knees. These are 98% cotton and 2% spandex. It does have a button fly. It's a straight leg style. And I would consider this more mid to high rise. And with the heel, they hit about at the ankle for me. Or for a completely different look with these in a black rinse, they're wide but a straight style jean, meaning that they don't flare. They're relaxed all the way down. There's no distressing. It does have a higher waistline, and these do have a 31-inch seam. And number two, there's so much talk about straight versus skinny. If you are a skinny jean person, Free Assembly does have a few different styles, so I will link them below. This pair here that I have are definitely not tapered. They do have a high waist, which enjoy it while it lasts, because apparently, like I said, it's coming in fast, the low rise. This is a medium wash. It does have nice whiskering, minor distressing around each knee. You also have it around the waist and across the back, but it's light, and this is a pair that I wore a lot on my recent Colorado trip. I loved wearing these, so I will show you guys how I styled it differently here. Or another example is this pair right here. It just has distressing on one knee as well as the pockets. These are ones that I've shown for a few years on my channel. They keep bringing them back in different colors and variations, but the jean fit under this link is the same, and I do like the whiskering on the back of the knees on this one. And remember to check the link because some of these styles do offer regular and short. The regular inseam on these is a 28.5, which is what I'm wearing, and a short inseam is 26.5. And one of my favorite styles for this time of year, number three, is crop styles. Mostly with a relaxed type fit, so straight or an overly wide leg. I do love this look with a boot. Some of these are a bit on the shorter side. This one here does have a high rise with a straight leg. The cropped inseam on this is 27.5, and it's made of organic cotton and 2% spandex. There's no distressing on this pair. Again, you do have that high waist. And I like the flexibility of this. No matter your height, there's probably a boot style that is going to look great with this type of crop jean. I also have it in this black version, also with no distressing. This one is not an acid wash. It's kind of something in between. It's also available in a dark wash as well as a white. And I get a lot of comments from shorter girls who ask questions about crop styles. And one way that you can lengthen your leg if you want to wear crop jeans is to try a darker denim like this pair here and put it on with a darker boot. It can really add a lot of length to your leg. Plus, there is nothing better in a pant for showing off your favorite boots than a crop style. I don't make the rules. Number four, the Bootcut is probably the most universally flattering jean, at least on me. It does really elongate the leg. It looks nice with a block heel or a pair of boots. And if you like a stretchier jean, this one definitely has more stretch than the others on this list. It's an organic cotton with span and lycra. This one does have a higher waistline. There's no distressing, and the leg does have more of a straight style, even though it is a boot cut. So there's no sudden flare at the knee. This is really subtle. It is your dressier denim for sure. It also comes in a medium wash, also no distressing, and for those of you who are taller, this would be a great one to be able to wear with sneakers. The inseam on both is 32 inches, and if you scroll to the size on this link, there's also a short version in this one. And number five, we are not seeing anything more as the full leg with a wide hem. Whether it's a baggier style or more of a modified look, like with these high-rise 70 jeans. They fit like a typical waist, which we are seeing styles that are very baggy, even in the waistline. This is a medium washed, relaxed through the leg is how it's described, and it's an organic and spandex blend. This is a great one if you're into the puddle trend with your hemline. This is one that's baggy without seeming too baggy. So I also have it in another color, which is a bit of a bonus trend. So try denim in a fashion color. This is one that I wore in a previous video with pink denim. I also wore it with the matching Free Assembly pink sweater that I will link below. Brighter and bolder colors in general have entered the chat for winter 2022. So try this in your denim this season in a color. And also don't forget about white denim to wear it with all of those beautiful browns and fall colors as well. And because y'all know me, of course, a second bonus, try a light wash in the fall and winter season. It was really popular this past summer and we saw quite a bit of it for fall and winter this year. This pair here is light and casual with only one knee of distressing. I do like to wear this with white and other shades of blue in the wintertime. It is 99% cotton and 1% spandex, so it feels like denim. The inseam is regular 30 and the short is 28 inches, and I'm wearing the regular with a pair of sneakers for easy styling. That's it for today's video, so a big thank you again to Free Assembly at Walmart for sponsoring this video. I love to wear jeans as we're heading into the cooler months, into winter, so let me know below in the comments which is your tried and true denim style. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, you guys, and I will see y'all in the next one.